What you guys, got another video here for you on how to make your voice recordings sound better. Now, I stumbled on this website and purchased a bunch of hardware to make my audio sound better in my videos. Now, whether you're doing podcasting or content creation or live streaming, you're going to need to have some better audio equipment. So this is the sort of stuff I went with for my purchase. I went with the Ultravoice XM8500 from Behringer. Now, this is a $20 microphone. Now, I've did plenty of research on this, and this microphone comes up very high in some of the rankings for $20. Now, of course, you will have to have the equipment to run this microphone. It is a dynamic microphone, but again, it's very well built, and it was one of the best microphones that come out around that sort of price point. It does come with a nice case, microphone, and also a little microphone holder here. Also went for the Shure SM58. Now, this is another microphone which was very highly rated. It's a Cardioid dynamic microphone. It's used extensively in the music industry, and you can use it for podcasts and other types of content creation like what I do. So I went with both of these microphones to test them out to see which one is going to work out best for me. Now, I have been using condenser microphones, but I've been reading up a lot and saying dynamic microphones are a lot better at reducing the background noise, especially in untreated rooms. And this is an untreated room, and I get a little echo when I'm speaking through the microphone. So hopefully this will eradicate all of that. So you get a little microphone holder here, and also you get the microphone itself. And of course, being Shure, it's well built and it's a really nice quality microphone. And the sound you're hearing right now is this microphone right here. And I've got it going through the DBX 286S as well. You get a little pouch inside here as well. And moving on to the cable that comes with the kit as well, because I ordered all of this from Germany, and this is what I also ordered, which is the DBX 286S. Now, this unit is pretty long. It does come with what you see in the box here, a cable which will be useful for people that live in other countries other than the UK. So they do send you a UK plug cable as well. You've got your warranty card here and your user manual. And you can see here, this will give you all the information you need about the unit itself. It's got some screws here in case you want to rack mount it, but this is the actual unit as well. So it is a very long unit, as you can see here. This is the preamp section. And if you want to use condenser microphones or dynamic microphones, you can do here. There's phantom power built into this as well. I don't need phantom power with the dynamic microphones, but you do need them with some condenser microphones, so you might need to use that here. You won't need as much gain here. This is your gain button. You won't need as much gain with the condenser microphones, but with the dynamic microphones, you might need to crank that up a bit. You've got your bypass switch here. This will basically disable all of the features, which is a bit pointless. So you're going to want to use all this, which has got a built-in compressor here, and that's exactly what I wanted. Also, I've got a de-esser that deals with all the S's, so all the sis. When you're speaking, you actually say a lot of S's, and that will deal with a lot of that. Also, we've got the enhancer here. This is basically your low frequency and your high frequency. So your low frequencies will be your bass, and the high frequencies will be your trebles, just named a little bit different, but that's how they basically work. And again, we've got the expander and the gate, and this was what I needed as well for my sound problem. You've got some LED lights here, and I've also got the output, which is your gain, and also your clip you'll see on there. You've got your power here, and on the back here, you've got your inputs. So you've got output, input, and you've got your line input here, and your microphone here for your microphone input. And that is it. So basically, you're going to get really good quality audio. What you're hearing right now is the DBX 286S with the Shure SM58 microphone. These are the settings that I've got it set at here. Now, you won't see any LED lights moving here because I'm doing a voiceover, but basically this is your preamp. This will be your gain, and you can set this up. I have got this running through the Scarlett, and you can see we've got the phantom power here and your high pass here as well. I don't have phantom power on because these microphones don't need it, but if you're using a microphone that needs phantom power, it does supply that. This bypass here will turn on or off all of the enhancements. What this means is you can have compression, gate, and de-esser and enhancer. You can have all this running through your microphone as a live feed. So basically, if you're a gamer, a streamer, a podcaster, or whether you're doing voiceovers, you can use this and it will come out and give you perfect audio without having to do a lot of this in post. So I've also got the compression and also the de-esser set up just like this. And I did some research and also played back the audio. You have to listen to your own sound and you can basically get it set up how you like. Now, I'm no expert and I'm no sound engineer, but basically do a bit of research and a bit of time and you can work this stuff out and get it exactly how you want. So hopefully it sounds a lot better than it normally does, and hopefully we're not getting as much echo. So you've got the enhancer set here. You don't want to crank that up too much. Again, the same thing with the expander and the gate. I've got that set to, as you can see here. And all in all, I'm pretty happy with the DBX 286S. I think it's a must-have bit of kit for anyone who's doing podcasts or streaming or anything like that. It's an awesome bit of kit. You've also got your output here. This is your output. Once that's set, you really don't need to touch that. And I've got that all going through the Focusrite Scarlett, as you can see up the top there. Other than that, I think the audio is a lot better. I've still got a lot to learn about DBX 286S. And again, I'm no sound engineer. I'm just learning as I go. So basically, hopefully, this helps someone to make a decision whether they would like the DBX 286S or whether they would like this type of setup. There's many other different setups you can go for, but this one's pretty affordable and it sounds awesome in my personal opinion. Anyway, but that said, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button and then hit the bell notification button and click all to be notified when we upload new videos.